Everyone. Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Math with Shobita. Today in this episode of the learning, I will discuss a question from real analysis which is asked in CSIR Net July 2025. The question is, what is the value of the limit n tending to infinity of 1 by n into n plus 1, n plus 2 and so on n plus n whole thing to the power 1 by n. Option 1 2 by e, option 2 4 by e, option 3 log base e 2 minus 1, option 4 2 log base e 2 minus 1. I will solve this question based on Cauchy's second theorem on limits. So what is Cauchy's second theorem on limits? Let us see. Cauchy's second theorem on limits. Okay, so what is this? If an is a sequence of positive terms, if sequence an is a sequence of positive terms, then limit n tending to infinity of an to the power 1 by n is equal to limit n tending to infinity an plus 1 by an, provided the right hand limit exists, whether finite or infinite. So to evaluate limit n tending to infinity of an to the power 1 by n, it is enough to evaluate limit n tending to infinity of an plus 1 by an. So here I will write an as an can be written as n plus 1 into n plus 2 and so on into n plus n divided by, I will write this divided by n as n to the power n. So whole term to the power 1 by n. Okay, so I will write this. Now we have to evaluate. Now we have to evaluate limit n tending to infinity of an. Okay. Let bn is equal to n plus 1 into n plus 2 and so on n plus n whole to the power divided by n to the power n. Okay, so that is limit n tending to infinity of an is nothing but limit n tending to infinity of bn to the power 1 by n. So this can be evaluated using Cauchy's theorem on limits. Limit n tending to infinity of bn plus 1 by bn. Okay, so here bn is this. Now we shall evaluate this limit. Bn plus 1 will be given by n is replaced by n plus 1. So starts from n plus 2, n plus 3 and so on. This is replaced by n plus 1. This is also replaced by n plus 1. So totally you will get this is 2n plus 2. So previous term 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 2. So whole thing divided by n plus 1 to the power n plus 1. bn is this. Now bn plus 1 by bn. So this you will get n plus 2 and so on 2n plus 2 whole thing to the power whole thing divided by n plus 1 to the power n plus 1 divided by bn means multiplying this n to the power n divided by n plus 1 and so on n plus n. Okay, So what are the terms remaining here? Here you will get here the numerator n plus 2 and so on up to 2n, the terms cancel. So remaining is 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 2. So here n plus 1, one term, remaining terms cancels to each other, and here n plus 1 and n by n plus 1 to the power n plus 1 to the power n. So I will write like this. Now taking the common terms, here I have n, I will take it out, here n square. So remaining is 2 plus 1 by n into 2 plus 2 by n to the power n, whole thing divided by n square, 1 plus 1 by n to 1 plus 1 by n. Here also n to the power n, I will take it out. So remaining is 1 plus 1 by n to the power n. So cancelling the terms. Okay, now limit n tending to infinity of bn plus 1 by bn. So what you will get as n tends to infinity, this will goes to 0, this 0. So 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, and 1, this is 1. So and here as n tends to infinity, limit n tending to 1 plus 1 by n to the power n is e. Since limit n tending to infinity of 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power n is equal to e. So you will get this is 4 by e. Therefore, limit n tending to infinity of an, this will be this will be equal to, so this will be 4 by e. Hence the answer is 4 by e. Thank you friends. Please share and subscribe the channel.